Now that school is back in full swing and the busy schedules are happening, if you've noticed more chaos than usual at home, you are not alone. You may have noticed the chaos creeping in your home, and it does creep in your home. And for that, we have you covered because we have Lauren Van Sickle from Closets by Design Charlotte here to go ahead and get you straight and situated. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome.
Good, how are you? Thank you.
Well, let's talk about the landscape. That happens, backpacks, entryways, all that stuff getting cluttered. And particularly now, this is the perfect time to go ahead and get a Closet by Design.
This is the best time to get organized. I think most people think of January like new start, time to get my life together. But September to me was always a fresh start time. You know, the kids are back in school. You're right though, a lot of clutter comes with that. But there's always this idea of like, this is when I'm going to get organized. And we're not going to lose that homework anymore. We're going to be ahead of the game. We're going to know where the backpack is in the morning. And that's where we can help.
Okay, well, let's start in the entryway.
Yes, exactly. That, I think, is like the magic bullet. That will change a family's life. To have a drop zone where, as I said, the kids can put that backpack down. Their shoes, exactly. Their shoes have a place to go. So in the morning, they can find them when they're running out the door. The other tip is to have a drawer for each child. So, you know, whether it's during the homework that they're working on, or if you find loose items around the house as you're cleaning up during the day, it's not like, have you seen this? Have you seen that? Go check your drawer. It's right in your drawer. So it keeps families organized.
My son was always misplacing his homework, so my wife, we had to do something like that. Let's talk about something that's really big after school and getting snacks. And sometimes the snack area gets chaotic.
Absolutely. The kids start taking over the whole pantry, right? So we have a great system where, you know, we have individual sections, whether it's just shelves or different baskets to pull out for different snacks when the kids come home from school. It's also a great time, honestly, for parents to do a little refresh of the pantry because you have a little bit more time during the day, time to sort out all that stuff that's been there all summer, kind of clean it out and do a fresh start for the fall.
Okay, Lauren, let's talk about the sports creep that happens to every family, multiple kids in the house.
Oh, yeah.
You got multiple sports that's going on. Your garage will take a beating and it will actually look cluttered.
Oh yeah, exactly. And the great thing about Charlotte is a lot of our homes have really nice garages with some good space. And if you can put a zone right by that door, you know, there we have the rake and the shovel for Dad to do a little work in the yard. But we also can do, we have all different kinds of hooks for lacrosse bags, golf bags, tennis rackets, you know, anything you can think of so that the kids can just grab and go when you're heading out to practice and won't be late.
So when you organize your space, whether we're talking about the snack area, the entry, the drop zones, it really, you know, eliminates the chaos that you have as a family.
It does. That's the whole thing. You know, when you're under pressure and you're running late and then you can't find something you need, it just increases the anxiety and the pressure among the whole family and the whole home. So if you can start the day organized, it can change the rest of your entire day.
All right, you have a special offer for us. What is it?
We do. We're running 40% off plus an additional 15%. And I wanted to mention too, if you call us this month, we're doing another special offer for everybody in Charlotte here, only in Charlotte, where we're doing a big sale on a lot of accessories and upgrades. So all these special items we're talking about to really customize your space, you can get a great deal on those from us here.
All right, and that's at charlotte.closetsbydesign.com, charlotte.closetsbydesign.com. Lauren, thank you for being here indeed.
Thank you. We love coming here.